Baytina Plus supplies trusted brands in tiling, waterproofing, and construction adhesives. Whether you're working on a residential renovation or a large-scale commercial project, we've got you sorted. From expert advice and quality materials to fast, reliable delivery, we help you stay on time and on budget. With multiple locations across Queensland and New South Wales, getting what you need has never been easier. Baytina offers everything in one place, so you can focus on the job, not the supply run. And when the work is done, the results speak for themselves. Precision tiling, clean finishes, and products built to last. Choose Baytina Plus and build with confidence.